This is the second time freak storm causes destruction to properties in the Zambezi region. About 3 weeks ago, residents of the Choi village in Kongola constituency lost their homes as a result of the winds. The rain, which started as normal showers, turned into a storm, uprooting several trees and destroying houses and other properties.
We have about 25 households who has lost their houses today. As you can see, some of the houses which were blown away.
A pickup truck that parked under this tree was also not spared as the tree fell on it, causing serious damages. Kachana has called on the regional council to provide the affected villages with tents while they are finding ways to rebuild their structures. Betty Kaonzo is a resident of the village who ran out of her house to the neighbors when the storms got intense.
I don't know what to do now. My children's books have been soaked. Beds and everything in the house have been damaged.
Not only were houses destroyed, but households' content was also damaged as well. Mpambo Sifu was on her way from the fields when she found out that her house was destroyed by the storm.
The tree behind me fell on top of my flat after I left, causing damages to my belongings, including the bathroom suite, and the tree is still left on top of my flat.
No one was injured during the incident.